straight line down.
You're putting the red toys in. What toys do you
Yeah, I love it, girl.
I've been teaching Head Start. I'm going into my 20th year. When I graduated high school, I volunteered in my mom's class. And seeing the determination that she had to work with her children encouraged me to come to Head Start and work as an employee for Head Start. When I was a little child, you know, I would always line my dolls up, you know, and pretend to be a teacher, you know, but never did I ever think that I would come to Head Start and work this many years as a teacher. But watching my mom work with those children, you know, really encouraged me to come to Head Start and work with the children here in the community.
I'm about to give you a shot.
Catch it. Ah, that is awesome.
You know, seeing the expressions on their face, they are so excited whenever they learn how to write their names, you know, whenever they learn how to tie their shoes, you know, it's excitement for them as well as for myself, you know. So I like to see the children accomplish many goals.